In our kitchen, we are making chicken halim. This is a very nice recipe and you can have it during iftar or even during Eid. Please do try this recipe and you will love it as much as I do.
Needing quarter cup yellow lentil, red lentil and white lentil. And here we'll need half a cup of chana dal and half a cup of wheat. We're going to soak these for about 3 to 4 hours in water.
After soaking for about 3 to 4 hours, now we're going to start cooking. So now in a big pot, we're going to add in the wheat first. We're going to add in the lentils, all in at once. Now we're going to put enough water because we're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 hours. Now we're going to add in salt and turmeric only at the stage. So about 1 spoon of salt, but you can add it according to your taste. And 1 spoon of turmeric, because the turmeric will give our halim a nice color. Now we're going to let this cook on low to medium flame, and we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 hours. Make sure that your stove speed is medium to low speed because you don't want the daals to burn. Now for our chicken, we're going to need 250 gram of chicken fillet, chicken bones just for taste, onions sliced into rings, ginger and garlic paste. Now in a pan, we added about half a cup of oil, and now we're going to fry our onions at medium to low flame. We're going to fry it till it becomes lightly to golden brown. Now for our spices, we need some cumin seeds, coriander seeds, nutmeg, cloves, elaichi seeds and black pepper. And now we're going to grind them all. This is a masala that we're only going to make specially for halim. Our onions have become lightly brown now. Now we're going to take them out. We're going to spread them out so they can become more crispy, and if you don't spread them they can get more brown and they can burn a little bit. Now again in the same oil we're going to add now in the same oil we're going to add in bay leaves. Then we're going to add in our chicken fillets. Then we're going to add in our chicken bones as well. And now we're going to cook it till it's cooked properly. Now the color of our chicken has almost changed. Now it's becoming a more brown color. Now we're going to add in the spices. We're going to add in red chili powder. You can add this according to your taste. I like spicy, so I'm adding about 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of red chili powder and some turmeric powder. Again, you can add it according to your taste. And salt. And some coriander powder. This will give our haleem a very nice taste. Nicely, so all the spices can be mixed well together on our chicken. Haleem requires a lot of masalas, but this will give our haleem a very nice taste. And don't forget about our special haleem masala that we grinded all our spices together. That will also give our haleem a good taste and a good fragrance to it. Add in 1 chicken cube for a nice taste. And now you can see our daals are being boiled for about 4 hours. And you mustn't forget about them because we have to mix them as you go along so they don't burn and stick to the pot. I'm going to add in half of our special haleem masala that we grinded. You're going to add half at this point and you're going to leave half for later. And then we're going to mix it again. After cooking it for a few minutes, and you can see how nicely our chicken has roasted, now we're going to add in about 2 cups of water. Now we're going to make our chicken soft in this. So we're going to cover it and let it boil for a few minutes at very low speed. See, our dal has become very thick and it's almost done now. You're going to use a hand mixer, or you can use anything like a spoon or something. So you're going to mash all these dals together so you don't see them as a whole. You see them mashed together. And now our chicken is still boiling. We're going to let it boil for a few minutes more before we shred. A few minutes, our chicken has become very soft. So now I'm going to take the chicken out now. And then I'm going to shred it for later. The taste of the bones is already in our gravy now. So we're going to take the bones out now. Now our dal has become very thick now. The consistency is fine now. It's very thick. So now I'm going to add in the chicken gravy into our dal mixture. Now we have shredded the chicken. Now we're going to add the chicken inside our haleem. Our haleem is almost done. So for about 10 minutes we are going to mash it like this and mix it so all our chicken and our lentils can mix together nicely. So even if it's difficult to do it right now, but you have to do it like this for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to dish this out now. Our haleem is done. And you can see how our consistency is. We want it a little bit thin right now because when we dish it out, it's going to get more thick then. Our yummy and very delicious haleem is done now. And now we're going to garnish it with our onions that we fried in the beginning. And then we can even garnish it with our mint and our dhania. And now we have some lemon slices. We can squeeze it on top if you like it for nice tangy taste. After very long, our haleem is done. It takes a lot of time, but if you do it, you'll get a very nice, delicious result. I hope you liked today's video. Please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.